big news as well coming in at this point in time. Chhagan Bhujbal, as Arunil was also telling us, has also said Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has approved Sunetra Pawar's name for the post of Deputy Chief Minister. This is what Arunil also told us. This is another big statement, in fact, that we are getting for you on this story, on Times Now. Let's go across to my colleague Rucha, who is joining us live as well. Rucha, so Devendra Fadnavis, the Chief Minister, has also approved Sunetra Pawar's name. So it's just a matter of time now. Perhaps very soon we will see the big formal announcement followed by the oath-taking ceremony.
Well, definitely, we are expecting the Deputy Chief Minister Sunetra Pawar is likely to be the next Deputy CM of Maharashtra, and we are seeing key meetings happening here in Mumbai as well as in Baramati, because the senior leaders are now meeting with Pawar family and having the further discussions. Now today, Chhagan Bhujbal, one of the senior most leader from NCP, has said that when he met Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, when the leaders from NCP had met with the CM, CM has approved name of Sunetra Pawar, and he has given go ahead with the proceedings. Now it is the mourning period in Maharashtra, the 3-day mourning period after Ajit Pawar's demise. But after that, the proceedings will take place. Letters are likely to be issued, and we will see Sunetra Pawar taking oath as the new Deputy CM of Maharashtra very soon. But it is important to note that currently the family is mourning and they are grieving. So the leaders are taking it very slow. The senior leaders are now heading towards Baramati again, and a special meeting of all legislatures shall be called tomorrow if the Pawar family is approving everything to happen now. The MLAs will be taking a meeting in Mumbai, and where the discussions will take place. But as per our sources within the NCP, we already have a confirmation from most of the MLAs. In fact, we are learning there in Baramati special discussions held, and in which 90% of the NCP MLAs have already agreed with making Sunetra Pawar as their next boss, the group leader, and whoever will be the new group leader, the next leader of NCP will definitely be Sunetra Pawar, and which automatically be the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra. And it is important to note that the CM, Devendra Fadnavis, has already approved on the same.
All right. Thank you very much, Rucha. Appreciate you joining us with your inputs on this story. With this, viewers, we'll slip into a very, very short break, but lots coming up for you on the other side as well. Don't quit.